Clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Thanks for coming back to see it, girl. I went to Sephora yesterday, participated in the Sephora sale. I'm not really a makeup girly, but I did want to show y'all some of the products that I did get. Let's get into it. First, start off with this Too Faced lip injection. Lip gloss does tingle a little bit, but I use this a lot, so I'm really like used to it. So I have already did my regular skincare routine before I put on my makeup. But TikTok told me that this serum is good for like brightening your skin while also using it as like a primer before your makeup and everything. So I went to go get that. As far as priming, I'm just going to use my Power Grip primer from e.l.f. So we are just going to do a couple dabs of that. And y'all, Mother Nature definitely came to play this month. e.l.f. I hope this shows, because every time I get a pencil, it literally is hard to show all the time. And then for the top of my brow, I'm just going to start about right here. I don't ever start all the way in the front because I don't want it to be a harsh line. How my brows are looking. I'm going to use this little brush. Now again, I am no pro at this. I'm doing what works best for me. I'm going to go in with my NYX brow gel in the shade Clear, just to make sure that these things stay in place, because they have a mind of their own sometimes. And I'm going to take that same concealer I use for my brows and do my under eye. I am going to put on some foundation, but I don't put it where my eyes are, just because I don't want so much makeup under my eyes, because that'll cause it to crease way faster. For my foundation, I'm using the NARS, and this is in the shade Medium Deep. We're gonna hope that this matches my skin tone, because I don't know. Okay. I hope it oxidizes. I hear a lot about the NARS foundation. I've never really tried. I've never tried it ever. I usually use Fenty, but I wanted to try another one just because it was on sale, so why not? I hope it oxidizes, because it's a little orangey. Why does it look like that up there, y'all? Please oxidize, Lord, fix it, Jesus. For a little extra highlight under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Infallible concealer. This is in the shade 395 Walnuts. Now, you only need a little bit of this, okay? Trust me, I learned from my mistakes. This brush kind of hurts a little bit. Hold on now. I'm gonna go back to my regular brush I've been using for a long time, because that brush hurt it a little bit. And I'm also not gonna go too much into the under eye part, because I want that coverage right there, and I like that bright under eye look as well. I know I look crazy. Let's trust the process, okay? I use the Morph set. This is in the shade Banana. And then I also have this Real Technique brush, not brush, I don't know what this is called, but I use this to pat on my powder blend in. And I'm actually going to set it as soon as I finish blending it in. And if you look up, it'll be so much easier for you to blend out that makeup underneath your eye. And then let that sit like that. And I'm going to do the other side. And then I'm also going to set the other places where I applied that other highlight. This is not even blended out, girl. What are you doing? this is how we are looking so far once I set my face. I know some people, they do like the cream bronzer and contour, but I do not. I just go straight in with my powder. I feel like the cream is waste of time and like product, in my opinion. So I just go straight in with my bronzer. Bronzer I'm using is from Fenty Beauty. TikTok got me influenced, y'all. And this is in the shade, Mocha. I'm gonna dab into a little bit of it, brush it off. I'm just gonna put the rest on my forehead. Also gonna take that same bronzer and contour my nose with this smaller brush. Contour my nose is actually like my favorite part because I have a big nose. Take a little bit under my cheekbone. I go in with this pink right here as my blush. I've just got into blush and I love it. That above where I put my bronzer, don't go overboard because I don't want it to look all I have on blush. Now the highlight and everything, I don't really do that anymore. I used to, but I don't think I'm in the era anymore. So this is what my face looks like once it's done. I did not do my mascara or my lips yet because I spray my face first. Makeup setting spray. And then I'm also going to use NYX Dewy Finish Spray. I do not like dry looking skin, so I might go a little overboard, but I need to make sure it's gonna stay, okay? I do not like dry makeup and I have dry skin, so I need dewy finishing spray. Gonna fan it out. How we looking, y'all? So now for my lashes, I'm not gonna put any false lashes on. I'm just gonna use my real lashes. I'm gonna go in with this eyelash curler. And I have been looking for the perfect nude lip combo, and I think I found it. I used the NYX lip pencil in the shade Espresso. And then I also used this MAC lipstick, and this is in the shade Velvet Tech. And that's in the shade Velvet Tech. I like to go a little bit over my line, because who doesn't? So this is the finished look. What y'all think? Did I do good? Clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it. Come on, clock it, baby. Hit me with your best shot. I will also list all of these products down in the description box if you weren't able to catch it while I was saying it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.